Welcome to mathematics class, trigonometric ratios, part 13. Let us solve some more problems from the textbook. Prove that cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 is equal to cot 36. Now, dividing all the terms by cos 9. Take left hand side and divide each term by cos 9. Cos 9 by cos 9. Sin 9 by cos 9 divided by cos 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 degrees by cos 9. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం ప్రతి పదాన్ని cos 9 చేత భాగిస్తున్నాం. సో డివైడింగ్ by cos 9, dividing each term numerator and denominator with cos 9. So the cos 9 by cos 9 becomes 1. Sin by cos is tan. So numerator 1 plus tan, denominator 1 minus tan. So this is tan 45 plus 9 degrees. 1 plus theta, 1 minus theta is tan 45 plus theta. So 1 is nothing but tan 45 plus tan 9. So 1 minus, you write tan 45 with tan 9. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 into tan 9 is tan 9 only. So in denominator, tan 9 can be written as tan 45 into tan 9. So that is 1 into tan 9 is tan 9. This value is tan 9 only. So this is in the form of tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is tan 45 degrees plus 9 degrees. Tan a plus b formula. That is tan 54 degrees. Now this is tan 54. We want to this as cot 36. So this can be written as tan 54 degrees is 90 minus 36. 54. So that is equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot 36. Since tan 90 minus theta first quadrant, tan changes to cot, that is cot theta. So this is the required answer, RHS. So therefore, it is proved LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us take up one more problem. solved problem from the exercise 10. Solve problem 10. Show that cos 42 plus cos 78 plus cos 162 is equal to 0. We did similar problem from the exercise. This is solved problem from the text. So let us do it in different way. In that we used cos C plus cos D formula. So till now we don't have that formula. So now we do it with different formula. Cos 42 LHS, take LHS. Cos 42 can be written as 60 minus 18. Cos 78, 60 plus 18. Cos 162, 180 minus 18. So expanding this one, cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus cos 180 minus theta second quadrant minus cos theta plus sin 60 sin 18 minus sin 60 sin 18 second quadrant cos negative. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. If you remember the formula, cos A minus B plus cos A plus B is 2 cos A cos B. You can write direct also. Sutram there is a direct ratio cos A cos B cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B మిగులుతుంది. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయకుండా కూడా డైరెక్ట్ గా cos A minus B cos A plus B యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 cos A cos B వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ cos 60 cos 18 cos 60 cos 18 ఇది 2 cos 60 into cos 18 minus ఇది cos 18. So cos 60 అంటే 1/2 cos 18 minus cos 18 2 will get cancelled. So ఇది 1 cos 18 minus cos 18 cos 18 minus cos 18 that is equal to 0 RHS. Therefore left side is equal to right side. Hence proved. So very simple. Let us take up one more problem. Exercise 6C. Roman number 2, first question, first bit. If cos alpha is equal to minus 3/5, if cos alpha is minus 3 by 5, sin beta is equal to 7 by 25, sin beta is equal to 7 by 25, where pi by 2, where pi by 2 is less than alpha, less than pi, and 0 pi by 2, 0 less than beta pi by 2. Then find the value of tan alpha plus beta. Then find tan alpha plus beta and sin alpha plus beta. This is the question. Cos alpha, sin beta values are given. Find tan alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta. Alpha is in between 90 to 180. Since alpha is in between 90 to 180, pi by 2 is 90, pi is 180. That is, this belongs to second quadrant. 90 నుంచి 180 మధ్యలో ఉంది అంటే రెండో పదం అన్నట్టు. And cos alpha is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Cos ratio adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent by opposite. So you take the angle is in second quadrant. Second quadrant low triangle angle and second low on the alpha. Adjacent second low cos negative కాబట్టి minus 3 by 5 వచ్చింది. ఇది adjacent side ఆసన్న భుజం బై కర్ణం 3. This is 5. Now let us find opposite side. Using Pythagoras, opposite side is hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. 25 minus 9 root 16, that is 4. 3, 4, 5. You can write any sin alpha, tan alpha, anything from this triangle. Now, second, beta is in between 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 మధ్యలో beta angle ఉంది అంటే 0 to 90. That is, this beta angle belongs to Q1. Beta angle belongs to Q1. First quadrant లో ఉంది beta. ఇంకా ఏముంది, sin beta is equal to 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So what is 7? Sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine opposite by hypotenuse. 7 is opposite side. 25 is hypotenuse. ఎదుటి భుజము కర్ణము 25. ఇక్కడ ఆసన భుజం కావాలి. Adjacent side. Using Pythagoras, adjacent side is equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. 25 square, 25 into 25, 625. 7 into 7, 49. So this is 586. That is equal to 24. Root of 586 is 24. You can write anything, sine, cos. You have 3 sides. You can write any ratio. Now we want tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha, tan beta, 1 minus tan alpha, tan beta. Alpha is in second quadrant, tan is negative. Tan is negative in second quadrant, రెండవ పాదంలో. So tan alpha అంటే ఎదుటి భుజం by ఆసన్న భుజం 4/3. So minus 4/3. Tan alpha second quadrant లో నెగటివ్ ఉంటుంది. Tan అంటే ఎదుటి భుజము by ఆసన్న భుజము. So opposite side by adjacent 4/3. Tan beta is in first quadrant. So ఎదుటి భుజం by ఆసన్న భుజం 7/24. So this is 7/24. ఎదుటి భుజం by ఆసన్న భుజం. 1 minus tan alpha minus 4/3, 7/24. That is equal to 3 into 24 LCM. 24 into 4. 26. 3 into 7. 21. LCM 3 into 24. 3 into 24 into 1. 72. 3 into 24. Minus plus 4 into 7. 21. So 324, 324 LCM will get cancelled. What will remain? 96 plus 21 minus 96. 96 minus 1. 5. 9 minus 2, 7. Minus 75. 72 plus 21. 7 into 4 into 7, 28. 72 plus 28 is 100. 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 times. So therefore, tan alpha plus beta value is minus 3 by 4. Now let us find sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Alpha is in second quadrant, sin positive. Sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin alpha 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Cos beta. Asana bhujam by karnam. Adjacent by hypotenuse. 24 by 25. Plus cos alpha. Cos is negative in first quadrant. So this value is minus cos alpha. Adjacent by hypotenuse minus 3 by 5. It is given, of course. 3 by 5. Sin beta is also given 7 by 25. Or opposite side by hypotenuse, division by Karno. 4 into 24. 96. 5 into 25. 125 minus 3 into 7. 21 by 125. This is 125. 96 minus 21. That is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. 75 by 125. 25 3 times, 25 5 times. 3 by 5. Therefore, sin alpha plus beta is 3 by 5. Now let us take up one more problem from the exercise. Solve problem 12. Prove that sin square theta plus sin square theta plus pi by 3 plus sin square theta minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Let us take left hand side. First term as it is. Second term sin square. Pi by 3 is 180 by 3. That is nothing but 60 degrees. This is also sin theta minus 60 degrees square. Sin square theta. Expanding sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. and square is there. Square. This is sine theta plus 60. Now, sine theta minus 60. Sine theta cos 60 minus cos theta sine 60 square. This is sine square theta as it is. Squaring a plus b whole square. A square, b square, a square plus b square minus 2 plus 2ab. 2 sine theta cos 60 cos theta sine 60 plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square cos theta sine 60. This is b square minus 2ab. 2 sine theta cos 60 cos theta sine 60. Here, this is plus and minus, these two terms will get cancelled. First term, sine square theta. Sine square theta cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 square. This is cos square theta sine 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square. So this is, these two terms are repeating. So 2 into, this is 2 times, this is also 2 times. Without expansion also you can write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 a square plus 2b square. 2ab will get cancelled. మీకు ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్ రాయొచ్చు, లేదంటే ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ చేసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి రాయొచ్చు. This is sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta 1 by 4 plus 2 cos square theta 3 by 4. 2 times cancel అవుతుంది. ఇది sin square theta plus ఇది 1 by 2 మిగులుతుంది sin square theta. ఇది 3 by 2 cos square theta. ఇక్కడ ఏది లేకపోతే 1. sin square theta కామన్ తీస్తే 1 plus 1 by 2 sin square theta కామన్ తీస్తే 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 అంటే 3 by 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 sin square theta 3 by 2 cos square theta. Take 3 by 2 common. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is 1. Therefore, 3 by 2 right hand side LHS is equal to RHS. Prove. Let us take up one more problem from the exercise. Solve problem 13. If ABC are angles of a triangle, ABC or angles of a angle, Tribhuja Konalu, ABC are not equal to pi by t or are not multiples of pi by t. ABC are not equal to pi by t, pi by 2. Then prove that first one, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Tan A, tan B, tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Second, cot A, cot B, cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C cot C, cot A is equal to 1. Now let us prove first one. ABC are angles of a triangle. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Sum of the three angles in any triangle is 180. And A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. We bring C right side. Now taking tan both sides. Take tan both sides. Tan A plus B is equal to tan 180 minus C. This is tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan 180 minus this is second quadrant. Tan is negative minus tan C. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Now multiplying, cross multiplying, this is equal to tan A, tan B, 1 into minus tan C is minus tan C, minus into minus plus, tan A, tan B into tan C, tan A, tan B, tan C. So bring this minus tan C left side, minus tan C left side, tan A plus tan B, minus tan C becomes plus tan C, and right side tan A into tan B into tan C. This is the proof. First one is proved, and second bit, to prove second bit, as A plus B plus C are angles of a triangle, and the sum is 180 degrees. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Taking cot both sides, రెండు వైపులా cot తీసుకుంటే cot A plus B is equal to cot 180 minus C. Cot A plus B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot 180 minus theta is minus cot C. ఎందుకంటే సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో కాట్ కూడా నెగటివ్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ cot C. Now cross multiplication. Cot A cot B minus 1 minus cot C into cot B minus cot B cot C minus cot C into cot A minus cot C cot A. Bring one right side and these two terms left side. Cot A cot B minus cot B cot C becomes plus cot B cot C, and this also plus cot C cot A, and minus 1 becomes plus 1. So this is proved. Second bit also proved. Let us take up one more problem from the exercise 6C. Roman 3rd, first question, second bit. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, where A, B, C are not the multiples of pi by 2, not equal to pi by 2, then prove that first bit, cot A, cot B, cot C, cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. Cot A into cot B into cot C. First bit. Second one, tan A, tan B, tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. This is quite a reverse. ఇంతకుముందు చేసిన దానికి ఇది, ఇంతకుముందు A plus B plus 180, ఇప్పుడు 90 అయితే ఈ tan cot గా cot tan గా రివర్స్ అయిపోయింది రిజల్ట్. Now let us prove first one. A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. This is given. A plus B is equal to 90 minus C. If you bring C right side. Now take tan cot both side. Taking cot both side, cot A plus B is equal to cot 90 minus C. Cot A plus B, cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This can be written as 1 by cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Tan can be written as 1 by cot. Tan C is 1 by cot C. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cot C into cot A cot B. Cot A cot B cot C. Minus 1 into cot C. Minus cot C. So 1 into is equal to 1 into cot B plus cot A minus cot C, taking right side, cot A cot B cot C is equal to cot A plus cot B minus cot C becomes plus cot C. So this is the proof. First one is proved. For second, proof of second one, A plus B plus C is 90 degrees is given. A plus B 90 minus C. Now taking tan both sides. Taking tan both sides, we get tan A plus B is equal to tan 90 minus C. Tan A plus B is tan 90 minus C. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan 90 minus theta is cot C. Tan 90 minus is cot C. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now write cot C as 1 minus tan C. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Tan A, tan C. Tan A into tan C. Tan B into tan C. So 1 into this one, it will remain as it is. 1 minus tan A tan B ఇది రైట్ సైడ్ కు వెళ్తే ఈ tan A tan B లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కి వస్తే మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది ఇది ముందుగా రాస్తున్నాం tan A tan B రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ కి రాస్తున్నాం this term we are bringing tan A tan B from right to left. Next tan B tan C. And tan C tan A. And 1 right side 1 as it is. So this is the required proof. Tan A tan B tan B tan C tan C tan A is equal to 1. So this is how we prove this type of questions. These are some solved problems and as well as some exercise problems. So keep watching. Regularly. Do subscribe to this channel. Press the bell button. You will receive notifications regularly. Thank you for watching.